Hey guys, Todd here. Today I want to show you how to install the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 on the 2022 Nissan Frontier. I'm going to show you how to do it whether or not it's equipped with Utilitrack. Now in your kit you're going to have 4 clamp brackets. If you have the Utilitrack system in your truck, you will be using these. If you do not have the Utilitrack system, you will not be using these. We do have the Utilitrack, so let me go ahead and show you how this works. Now this up here is the claw. That's going to actually be to the top of the clamp. Back here is our aluminum brace with our little orange grip up at the top. If you notice, this one right here is set to the second oval hole down from the top. We actually want to put it to the third from the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the supplied Allen wrench and loosen these up. And we're going to move our aluminum bracket down to the third oval hole. All right, we don't want to put those bolts in all the way. We just want them to be started into the threads. Make sure all 4 of your clamp brackets are just like that, and we can move forward. Okay, so here is our front hanger bracket. This is our Utilitrack. This is the passenger side. We're going to do the exact same thing on the driver's side. If you notice, this clamp will rotate up when you tighten it up. What we're going to do is we're going to slide it where the clamp is behind the bed cap, and then let it rest on top of the Utilitrack. We're going to set it here loose for right now. Then we're going to set the cover on top and then set the clamps underneath. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our cover, put it on top of the bed caps, and make sure our bulkhead seal folds down right on top of the bulkhead. Then we're going to center it side to side. And once we've got it centered and all the way over the bulkhead, we're going to go ahead and unclip it and fold it back to the tailgate. Then we can center it side to side, make sure it's nice and straight, and then very gently fold it back to the bulkhead. Make sure you don't throw off the alignment of the cover. Now we can go underneath and set the clamps. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab our bracket and we're going to slide it over because we want it to line up with our clamp. Our clamp drops down like so. Just make sure our bracket is lined up to that position. And then once it's lined up, we're going to go ahead and press it up against the bed cap and tighten down this right down here with the provided Allen wrench that we've been given. Now don't over tighten this. We just want to get nice and snug. We don't want to strip out the aluminum threads. All right, next we're going to go ahead and slide our clamp over to the bracket and rotate it down. What we want is for this surface right here to be even with the claw bracket that's hanging down. So what we're going to do is we're going to rotate it until it's nice and even. Once it's even with it, we'll go ahead and slide the clamp over. Then we'll raise up the aluminum portion and then go ahead and rotate the handle until it tightens down. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now we're going to go ahead and close the cover to the tailgate. We're going to take our rear bracket, lift it up, and line it up to our rear clamp. Once that's lined up, just like the front, we're going to go ahead and tighten that down with the provided Allen wrench. Again, do not over tighten these bolts because you don't want to strip out the aluminum threads. Next, we're going to take our clamp and we're going to rotate that down, pull, and lock on to the bracket. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below. And as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.